Walter here in the potato patch. We're starting to get blossoms on some of our potato varieties, and they're all doing really well. They have either been hilled with mulch or had mulch added, but I always find it really interesting about the Sarpomira. These are the Sarpomira. In the evening, especially when they're younger, they lift their leaves up and close them, almost as if they're praying. You see this plant here, right here? You see that? How the leaves are up? And that's different, much different than the yellows or the whites or the russets. They don't do that. Very interesting. This is my first year of an in-ground crop of Sarpomira, and I'm so hoping they produce nicely. So that's about it, everybody. Just wanted to show you the potato patch. Let me know if you grow potatoes. I know a lot of people try to grow them in buckets. I tried that, but I can't keep the water content of the soil just right and the fertility. I like putting them in the ground and letting Father take care of them. Sun is down. It's a beautiful evening. I hope you're having a blessed day. Hey, there's Mr. Moon. There's Mr. Moon. We've got a full moon coming up here soon. We're not quite there. Next week. Always look up and be grateful. In all things, give thanks. Walter out.